We've just had a fabulous turnover of vehicles over the last few weeks, which leads on to these couple of beauties coming in. We've got one that's got the sliding door and the real doors on with a kind of a greys interior mixture, and we've got the full end class again, which is in the similar colours and similar colours inside, but remember, come and see them. The doors are changeable, the interiors are tweakable, but these two that's just come in are a good example of what we do. So here's another one that I've just come across. It's just come in for sale. This is actually, truth be known, we can't really build these anymore because they cost too much to build. There's that much time, effort and money has to go into these builds. We can't afford to build them anymore. So there's only a few on the market. We've got another one back in. It'll go quick. It's worth a look. If you want to bob inside, it's a rear slide out. It got launched in 18, 17, something like that, but it took off. But the problem is the manufacturing process took too much time. So these little gems really. So when they come back in, they soon go. But if you ever bob inside and have a little look, it's kind of a quirky little layout, but works for a lot of people. So as you can see, I'm all the way down here. This comes in to here, adds an extra 600mm to the back, which gives you all this floor space, ideal for people with dogs in, single people, or it'll make up into two singles like this, or it'll make up into a big double. You've also got your drawer fridge, which has made use of this space. Also, a lot of people are using this kind of space for air fryers and things like this, but look at the room that we've gained here. So it gives you more storage space, more surface and more floor space. So it gives the impression of a lot bigger van. Like a lot of our vehicles, they've come in, sometimes we have to tweak them a bit and brush them up a little bit, but this is a prime example of what we get back in. This is absolutely as new. Come and see this van, no edges off it, no little bits that we have to put into the factory and tweak or anything. It's as new. Look at the leather, look at the upholstery, look at the finishes, look at the edges and corners. There's no corners off it anywhere, no grubbiness to it, nothing on the seats or anything. It's absolutely spot on.